As you're adding pieces to your inventory, you'll want to consider whether you'll rent your pieces in sets or as individual items. For instance, you might have some items that you want to rent as pairs or in sets of 3 or groups of 20, and you'll want to consider that when you're adding the item to your inventory. In this case, we're going to click on Edit. We're going to create this new item, and it's going to be called the Horatio Chairs. We're going to say Pair in the title. I'm going to drag and drop a photo, and the photo is of 2 chairs together. So hopefully this will be an indication to our customers that this item is actually a pair of chairs, not individual chairs. Also, I'm noting that in the title. And then when I enter this into the inventory, I want to think, how many pairs of chairs do I have? I have 1 pair rather than 2 chairs. The acquisition cost of the pair was $50 each, so they're going to be $100 total for the pair. The replacement cost would be $100, and the rental price will be $50 for the pair. So I want to consider all those things as I'm adding the information. Also down here in my description, I want to again indicate that it's a pair. So set of 2 leather wingback chairs. And maybe even in my tags, I'll refer to pair. I'll go ahead and save the item. When I'm adding or removing items from the inventory, I want to keep this in mind, that the acquisition cost will be for the unit. So if, for instance, I have a set of 10 chairs that I'm going to rent together as a set, if each chair costs $5, I'll put the set of 10 chairs and the acquisition cost would be $50. You're going to want to keep your units consistent when you're entering in the acquisition cost, replacement cost, quantities, and rental price. Another thing you'll want to pay attention to is the order in which your items appear. You may decide what I actually want is to put my items in size order. You can rearrange by dragging and dropping items to a different place in the list of inventory items for that category. This is the order that they will appear in your public gallery, and it's the order you're going to see them when you're adding inventory to your orders. We hope you'll check out the other resources we have available at RW Elephant. Visit the website at rwelephant.com, check out the help site for forums, community interaction, and answers to your questions on the spot. And you can also view the next video to get the most out of your RW Elephant account.